what's up and welcome back to my channel. I've got another review today. I'm actually super excited to do this one. This is one of the most user-friendly, most robust home gym units that I've ever come across, and that is WeGym's Rally X Home Gym Kit. This is an all-in-one home gym equipment set that actually comes with a fitness app that is full of training courses and real-time tracking technology that can give you the best workout experience wherever you are. I really love the design of this kit. It all comes in a compact box just like this. And when you open the kit, you'll see that it comes with the resistance bands that can be adjusted up to 61 pounds of resistance, a user manual, different types of handles and straps, a door anchor, and a carry bag. In total, everything weighs just about 1 kilogram, so it's super portable and lightweight. The user manual gives you a very good step-by-step breakdown on how to set up the system, but it is very simple, and here's a quick summary. All you have to do is download the WeGym app, power up your resistance bands, and then connect it to your account via Bluetooth. The app itself has a ton of training courses that you can follow, and it actually recommends specific ones based on your body goals. You can filter these courses by series or by duration. Then, when you actually go into the course, it'll show you every single workout you need to complete step by step in order to complete the entire course. Working out with this kit is super easy. Here, I'm in the corner of my bedroom. I'm just using the door anchor, and the bands are set on a low resistance setting. And while you exercise, the app will track how much force you're using, how many pulls you performed, and how many calories you burned. Another great feature for this set is the attachment strap shown right here, which is an alternate to the door anchor. You can attach it to so many things, outdoor railings, equipment in the gym, or even your desk like mine is here. And finally, you can also perform workouts in free mode, so no need to attach to anything. There are a lot of workouts you can perform with just your body and the resistance bands strapped on. I also particularly love the fact that no matter what you're doing, it's actually really easy to adjust resistance in the middle of a workout, so you can always level up. All you have to do is pull. So as you can see, this home gym kit is really robust and compact. It offers all of your workout training needs in a very portable package. Along with the app, it's basically your very own personal trainer that can guide you towards your fitness goals. So check out WeGym's Rally X workout kit linked in the description down below. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in for yet another review. You can find the rest of my product reviews linked right down here. And if you want to support my channel further, check me out on Patreon. As always, feel free to also leave any comments or questions down below about this product or anything else I've done on my channel. Alright, I'll see you guys next time!